Some highlights I can share about the logistic and supply chain management is that it's a really interactive class. So it's not like normal classes that you just go and you show up and then you leave. It's more about connecting with the professor, connecting with the students, working as a team. Other highlights that I can mention is that it offers many internship opportunities, field trips, and guest speaker, which is good because you can get to know more in the real world or have more hands-on experiences. It really make the student feel confident when they go out there in the world doing an internship. It really changed the way I connect with things because I'm like, oh, I already learned this in class, so I don't feel lost. So that's something I can really recommend students. If you are a logistic and supply chain management, go for it because the classes are very interactive and you will be learning a lot. What I enjoy is the material and the way the professor approaches the students. They like to make sure that you understand the material because they want to make sure that when you go out there to your internship or your professional work, you're doing your best by sharing all the knowledge and things that the professor prepared for us. So some highlights that I can share about the risk management and insurance program. Dr. Monica Haidesh, she always makes sure that the student understand the material because risk management insurance is a very extensive program. So in order to catch every single detail, something can be difficult, but the way that she teaches us, it really changed the way that we understand the material. And I can tell by now working for State Farm, which I'm exposed to, risk management and insurance, it's been very good the transition because many of the topics that we were learning in class, I'm applying it in real world experiences. So that's something I can highlight about her classes, that the way she teaches every single material make everything clear to the student. What I enjoy the most about my risk management and insurance classes is the format of the classes. So since it's a very complex material, I feel like it got different kind of way to learn it. So you can do it online, you can do it in person, or you can do independent study. So that's something that as a student really helped me because depending on the classes you're taking, you may need more time to read through the material, or if you prefer in person, that's something also that can help you because you can ask many questions. And since it's a small class, I think you can get to know better your professor and your students. And also, risk management insurance offer to a student to join to RIMS organization, which provides a lot of opportunities, internship, scholarships, and also assist to the risk world, which can change your life because you will be meeting a lot of professionals around the industry and you will be able to participate in different activities that will shape your knowledge about this industry. Something I can benefit from having double major is having different perspective when it comes to solving a problem or bringing things to the table. So instead of just closing my mind in one field or area, I can use risk management and I can use logistics and just make something that really will make sense, or it will be a better solution versus it's just one area that I'm just focused on. So that's something that really changed my perspective about life and how I can make an impact in the real world. Something I can share about risk work is how good it for students and professionals that are interested in this field, because risk work is not just an event, but also it's a life-changer opportunity because you can get the new opportunity there. You can meet a lot of employers. Their program is like 4 or 5 days and you can join to different events and you can get to know a specific topic that you might interested in. And that's something that really help RMI students because it's an opportunity to expose yourself and just get to know professionals and understand the field. For example, my first time there, I was kind of like, what is gonna be the risk management in the real world? I find out that there's many opportunities out there, and you can actually get jobs that can use both majors. So in my case, I found businesses that they work with logistics and risk management together. So I found that very interesting because I might go for something more like that I can use my two majors, and is something that many students can also find out themselves to see what's better for them and better fit.